Hello, everybody. This is Michael Manning. This is a new song, or I should say, it's an older song that I just now finished. So I guess it's technically a new song. This is called Shreveport in the Rain. She was leaving home for the first time, and I was headed west from Tennessee. She was shy, but soon I had her talking. She said California's where she wants to be. In her eyes I could see that she was lonely. She said she had no life, no love at home, although she had many friends and family. Late at night she still found herself alone. But a heavy rain closed the Dallas airport. We landed in a little bayou town. In a hotel room we found ourselves together. Tears filled her eyes as rain came pouring down. While the storm was raging right outside our window, we come together deep in passion but in vain. But tonight I know that we won't be lonely. I'll be loving her, Shreveport in the rain. Lightning flashes through the open window. I hold her close and look deep in her eyes. The feeling of her hand upon my spirit, and like a storm I can feel her desire. Every time the night we came together, every time we felt our passions rise, we knew passing time would bring us a new morning, and the coming dawn would bring us clearing skies. As the storm was raging right outside our window, we came together deep in passion but in vain. But tonight I know that we won't be lonely. I'll be loving her, Shreveport in the rain. At the gate I watch her board the airplane, the early morning flight to LAX. The California sun might warm her spirit, and I pray it's everything that she expects. While the storm was raging right outside our window, we came together deep in passion but in vain. But tonight I know that we both will be lonely, and I'll be loving her, Shreveport in the rain. I'll be loving her, Shreveport in the rain. Yes, I'll be loving her, Shreveport in the rain. And for all those who love it, here's a Facebook poke.